Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another day, another adventure. I'm Dev, these are my adventures, and I'm a flight attendant for US domestic carrier, but I'm currently on my week 4 of quarantine, specifically day 23. It's currently 3:08 p.m. I think it's April 27th. I just got a package in from Ulta, and today I did a workout. I edited a video, so I'm gonna go ahead and take a shower because Casey should literally be home any minute now. I want to beat him to the shower. I'm sitting at my vanity. I got my Ulta order in, and I'm gonna show you guys what I got. So for primer, I got the Revolution Pro Goddess Glow Primer, the Pacifica Clean Foundation, the LA Girl Pro Coverage High Definition Illuminating Foundation in the color Fair. For powder, do still need to set my face. I got the Essence Brighten Up Banana Powder, and then I got the Pacifica Neutralizing Mineral Mattifier, an Essence Lash Princess Lashify Effect mascara. It was like $4. 3 liquid lipsticks. I got one from Ofra. It was a collab with Francesca Tollett. I don't know who that is. 2 Morphe ones. I got a brand new red lipstick that I wanted to try. The Morphe color in the shade Virgin because everyone talks about that. ColourPop lip gloss because lip gloss is lip gloss. And got a bronzer from Milani. A new palette. This was a collab with someone, whoever Roxurus is. I thought the colors are like super pretty. And there's a really nice mirror in here. I'm gonna take this Goddess Glow Primer. Apply it all over. Oh, it's like bent. No wonder it's not coming out. This looks like a good color, so we'll just start with this much and we'll spread it out if needed. I wonder what it would look like if I put the LA Girl one over it. Let's go in with concealer. This is just the e.l.f. one. I ordered the NARS one from Sephora, so I will be pretty interested to see how that performs once it gets here. Brighten Up Banana from Essence. I need to apply this powder all over. Let's try the Milani bronzer. Oof, it's a lot I can share. I like to just mix. Your sister's going to jail and I raised you on mac and cheese. Oh, my battery's dying. Let's see how far I can get until it actually dies. I'm gonna go in with this palette. Let's go in with the color Boo. And I'm going to take the color Pumpkin in my crease. I think this is turning out really nice. These are blending very nicely. Let's go in with this taupey shade right here. It's a little bit darker. Let's go in with the shade Gingerbread, which is this color right here. I was tracking my package for like all this stuff that I just got, but it was on the truck this morning and I was like, okay, cool, that means we're gonna get it today. I look around like 2 o'clock because I never got a notification that it was delivered, and I looked on the Ulta app and it said my package was delivered. I went outside because sometimes they drop it off here. Went down to the mailbox thinking, oh, they got the key because they've put the key in the mailbox before. I went on Amazon to see if the code was there to scan it because it's in your messages, and it wasn't there. But I looked on top of the Amazon hub and the freaking UPS driver just set the box on top of all the lockers. Anyone to steal. Like, are you kidding me? I'm upset. Going with Boo and Cookie. Let's curl our lashes. Use our new mascara. We'll see how it performs. Hopefully I use the L'Oreal Lash Paradise and that holds my lashes curl pretty well, but I'm out and I wanted to try something new. And let's do, this is a nice nudie color. Some Breezy, and then we'll spray and we'll be done. Hey guys, welcome to day 24 of quarantine. I have clothes on the bed over here because I'm packing up to head to my parents' house for a few days. I just kind of want a change of scenery really, and I'm sick of sitting in my apartment all day by myself waiting for Casey to get home. And he actually has plans to play at like a virtual church tomorrow, and Thursday. So he's only gonna be home for a couple hours, like right after work. So I figured this would be the perfect time to just go spend some time with my family. My mom's taking a few days off of work so she can hang out at the pool with me. So we have our bag packed. I'm taking my turn bag. This just has like workout clothes in it, my pajamas, my swimsuit. It's pretty light, my laptop. Turn this off. Keys. Phone. Fine. My mom doesn't want to say hi, but I made it to her house, and me and my brother just went to Total Wine, which is like my favorite store ever, and the closest one to us in Orlando is like 30 minutes away. So we went and we got some Grey Goose. I got really shitty tequila because I'd rather spend my money on vodka. And then I just got margarita mix. I'm gonna mix it up in my cup. We're gonna go sit by the pool. I just got done with the walk and I'm watching AC do a live on Instagram right now because I'm in Tampa and he's at home. Daddy-o walked for dinner. I don't know, do a haul.
Ground beef, crunchy, and nacho cheese.
We have a ton of chocolate chips already.
Everyone, I've been out in the sun and it's 5 o'clock somewhere. Well, it's 5:10, so you guys know what that means. Let's give her a mix. Do the baking portion of this vlog because I don't do anything except bake in quarantine. My dad will be helping us make these delicious peanut butter brownies today, and I'm finding this recipe at Sally's Baking Addiction. Link this recipe in the description box down below if you guys want to bake it. But that's what we're making. Looks great to me. We're gonna go ahead and get started. Step number 1, grab a drink. We need to melt together butter, chocolate chips in a medium saucepan on medium heat, stirring constantly for about 5 minutes. Half cup of butter, and then 8 ounces of semi-sweet chocolate. Chocolate chips. All right, let's melt this. I'm gonna do the peanut butter filling. It wants me to get peanut butter, confection sugar, vanilla, and milk on medium-high speed until this texture is thick. 1 cup of that. Isn't that, yeah, that's like powdered sugar. That'd be really good on top. So 1, I'm gonna put this in the basket. 2, 3. Oh, be playing music and dancing so I can send it to her. How much vanilla? All the vanilla. 2 teaspoons. Doing the 1/4 cup of granulated sugar, 1/4 cup of brown sugar into the hot pan with the butter and the 8 ounces of chocolate chips. Is there a eject button? I pressed that. Just the one?
Yeah. The only width was 1 here.
Does this reach over here? You don't think so? We're only on whisk together. Okay. I have to dance a little bit for my friend. We have the brownie right here. It just came out. We're gonna let it cool. This is the blueberry muffin recipe that I made last week, and we're testing it out tonight because my parents had leftover blueberries and they were not being eaten fast enough, so I decided to make muffins. Excited to try out these peanut butter brownies. Several hours later, we have brownies. Those are good. Tell the camera.
Just delicious.
Fancy.
Hello friends, I'm looking like this because I'm coming on to end the vlog and start a new one later today. I'm going to lay out with my mom, she's off today, and then we're doing some pre-birthday festivities for Casey, which will be his birthday vlog. So I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog here. Hopefully you guys enjoy this adventure with me, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.